Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up a stop limit order in KuCoin. So first of all, a stop limit order in KuCoin future is a conditional order that gets triggered when the market reaches a pre-specified stock price, and a limit order is sent afterwards. There are three trigger types for stop order on your KuCoin feature: last price, mark price, and index price. Now, stop price is the price at which your order will be triggered when the market reaches this particular price, let's say 22,000 or 20,000. Your stop limit order is activated. Now the limit price is going to be, once your order is activated, the limit price is the maximum for buying or minimum for selling price at which your cryptocurrency will be traded. The order will not be executed if the market price surpasses this limit. So once you are done, you just need to click on this start trading, or if you haven't enabled future trading, you just need to enable this. But remember, future trading involves significant risk and isn't suitable for all the investment. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.